Wirehead here. I know what you folks want. You want to see a VTVM warm up. Sounds exciting. No? It's a Heathkit V-6 next to a Heathkit SG8 signal generator. Both have been restored, but nobody's seen a VTVM warm up. I know what you're saying. Oh shit, this is gonna be an hour-long video. But nope, it'll be under 3 minutes. You watch. The great thing about a video like this, you guys get the money shot. Ooh boy, there we go. You guys get the money shot in the beginning. I warmed this up a few hours ago for about a half hour and I zeroed it. Ooh, there's my keyer. Ready for the money shot? Never get tired of seeing this happen. Oh, come on. Really? Watch. There it is, boys and girls, the money shot. Okay. Let's pull back a ways and let me show you here. I'm going to pick you up to show you my high-tech stopwatch. We'll start it now. I know I'm shortchanging the VTVM by a little bit. It's okay. Be ready to go at the 2-minute point. Hey, let's call it the 1 minute 30-second point, because I think I got the benefit of the cheat. We'll see. Let me shut up and then let you folks enjoy the show. See, it's my whole thing that after 2 minutes, you can use your meter. We'll see. Stopwatch is at the 1 minute point. Moving my tripod is dicey. I'll show you why shortly. Lighting's crap in here, but other than that, this mark up here, that's not a defect, that's just an artifact of the lighting. My professional lighting stopwatch is at 1 minute 45 seconds. Okay, I'm stopping the stopwatch now, and we're very close. Camera's not seeing the right, it's actually at 1 division. But at this point, you can zero that out. Go ahead and use your meter all you want, and it'll hold that zero for, well, it's hard to do looking through a camera screen. Anyway, you can go ahead and use your meter, man. Maybe a half an hour from now it'll drift back up a half a division. I can deal with that. 73.